What is up, everyone? It is your boy Kyle here, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Fibonacci retracements. What are Fibonacci retracements, you may be asking? Fibonacci retracements are a tool that is used within trading to find major levels within the stock itself using, like I said, what's known as Fibonacci retracements. And Fibonacci retracements refers to what's known as the golden spiral or Fibonacci spiral. Now what that is, it's an equation that is used throughout life that depicts what is pleasing to someone. It's found everywhere in life. It's found within the Mona Lisa. It's found, you can look it up. It's called the golden spiral here. I'll look it up here, golden spiral. So what Fibonacci retracements is, it's taking this equation and it's putting it into levels. It's putting it into levels. So we can say golden spiral in life. And you can see here it's found in faces, right here to the ear with eggs, with the Mona Lisa, like I was saying earlier, right here. Like it's used with it, it's found throughout life, and it's what people find attractive. Why is it attractive to people? Don't know, it just is. So we take that same concept and same theory and apply it to Fibonacci retracements. So how do they work? Well, what you do is you take your Fibonacci tool, which is right here, and you draw from, you can either do it from wick to wick or body to body. But whatever you choose, make sure you keep it consistent. You can do, like I said, wick to wick, body to body. You can never, don't ever do wick to body or body to wick, because these ones create inconsistencies within the chart themselves. So you never want to have them anything like that. You always want to keep it consistent, body to body, wick to wick, just like that. It doesn't matter what, just make sure it's consistent. So for this example here, I'll be using body to body. So what we'll do is we'll take this here, go from body of the bottom candle all the way up to the top of the body of that candle right there of the uptrend. So now we have these plotted out here. And like I said, what Fibonacci retracement or what Fibonacci spiral is it's telling you, it's an equation that tells you when something looks attractive. So in this case right here, your 61.8 level is your attraction zone. This is known as the golden pocket right here. This is known as your golden pocket right here. So whenever you see it come down to this area right here, you'll tend to see a bounce happen. I'm not saying it always happens, but this is typically where you see your bounces occur. Your 61.8 level and your 38.2 levels are your top two levels to look out for when you're using Fibonacci retracements. So for example, we have that one here. Let's just kind of go back some. Let's try it out here. Like, look, let's see here. So what I say body to body, we'll go to that body right there. I'll just stretch it out a bit. But now look at that. You see here, you're in your golden pocket zone right here. You get your bounce off the perfect 0.786 level here, right here, the 0.618 level, which is what I said it was your golden zone to look for a bounce. We see that we hold it pretty nicely here, and then as soon as that happens, we begin to shoot up. So then we get that move happening right here. And then you can see it here too, how we hold the 0.786 level very nicely. We get to the 0.618 and we just completely break right through it. Now this can be used for all chart. We can do it for Zoom. Let's see here. We can do it on Zoom. What else would be a good one to look at? We can look at, let me see here. Let me try and find another good chart to do it on for you guys. Netflix. Let's see here. See, so Netflix has gone up tremendously within the past couple days. So let's just draw this out here. So there. Let's just take a look at Netflix here. So we see here that this is our obvious golden pocket zone right here. This general area right here. So once Netflix touches back here again, we can look for a nice bounce to occur here. Or we can try and see if we can get a nice move here for a bounce here to retest over here again. And if not, then we'll get that false test back down. But I'm trying to find, let's see. See, everything just kind of surged right this week. So here, let's see. I'm trying to find a good place for this. We'll use the 5 minute. Let's see how well the 5 minute looks. We can use this one. Let's see here. I'm trying to find a stock. Here we go. Let's check down here. So let's see what's going on here. So we're looking at ticker symbol ABT. If we were to draw our Fibonacci sequence here, let's see what we would find. So we go from body to body. Which body should we go to? We'll go to this uptrend right here. There we go. So let's take a look again. Let's take a look here. So what did we say our zone was? The 0.618 level? Well, what do you look at that? We get that perfect bounce right off that 0.618 level. Then we get our nice bounce off the 0.5 level for the uptrend to go up here. We retest the 0.382 level, which is another level I said to look out for, which we have this beautiful bounce occur here. So this would have been a good entry for calls. And then look at this, we get that beautiful breakup happen for this nice uptrend from 89 area all the way up to, you could sell at 90, or you could have gone all the way up to 91. So that's just an example again on how the Fibonacci lines work, and you can see them in action right there. Like, I mean, we can do them wherever, and let's do it here. Let's look here, and let's see. So what are we doing? We're going from body to body. And let's see here. We get that 0.382 bounce right there for the retest on resistance. We couldn't break it, so then we go back down. Now notice here how we get to the 0.618 level. We try and hold here, but then boom, we get this massive shoot down that happens right here to previous support. That's right there. So like I said, like I said in this video, it tends to hold true. It's not always going to hold true because you still have to rely on price action and everything as well. But Fib sequence just gives you a better understanding of where you can see a bounce occur. And honestly, that's all for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and thumbs up. If you have any questions, just please send them my way, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day.